This illustration deals with medium voltage conductors and cables in accordance with NEC new Article 311. And of course, we're dealing with Part 3 there. And it's the purpose of change again. A new article again is added to address medium voltage conductors and cables. And this new Article 311, Part 3, covers installations, uses permitted, direct barrel conductors, support, shielding rules. And this new article was, again, existing Article 310 and 328 in the 2017 NEC. Now, again, we would review the type of equipment, and it's metal enclosed, metal clad gear, equipment 490.47. But to review what this Part 3 applies to, then naturally installation is 311.30. Use is permitted where you can use this article, is 311.32. Direct barrel conductors is in 311.40, and then 36 by the NEC rule now. It's not 311.40, it's 311.36. And then shielding is 311.44. And then, of course, if you see the connection of the shields, then the connection of cable shields and access space and attaching safety grounds is 311.44, as you see in the illustration, pointing to the shielding that would take place to take care of the stress buildup from the high voltage.